Understanding the phrase, cleaning the pond. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that might seem straightforward but has some interesting nuances. We're talking about cleaning the pond. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. In the most basic sense, cleaning the pond refers to the physical action of removing dirt, debris, or unwanted substances from a pond. This can involve tasks like removing algae, dead leaves, or cleaning the water. It's a straightforward, literal meaning used in everyday conversation, especially when discussing gardening or outdoor maintenance. Sometimes, cleaning the pond is used in a more figurative or symbolic way. In this context, it can mean removing unwanted or harmful elements from any situation, not just a body of water. For example, it can refer to improving a problematic situation at work, dealing with personal issues, or making changes in a community. This usage is more metaphorical and is often used to suggest a process of purification or improvement. In some cultural contexts, cleaning the pond might have specific idiomatic meanings. For instance, it could be used in business to describe the process of restructuring or removing ineffective elements. It's important to understand the context in which the phrase is used, as it can greatly alter its meaning. Listening to how native speakers use this phrase in different situations can be incredibly helpful. Let's see some examples of how cleaning the pond is used in sentences. 1. Literal: we spent the weekend cleaning the pond in our backyard. It was full of leaves. 2. Figurative: the new manager is really cleaning the pond at the office, changing many old policies. 3. Idiomatic: after the corruption scandal, the government is cleaning the pond in its departments. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, cleaning the pond, in all its nuances. Whether it's used literally or figuratively, this phrase is a great example of English's colorful and varied expressions. Remember, the key to mastering such phrases is practice and exposure to different contexts. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.